Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with a phone. The first one what I recommended to do is to restart your audio player. Let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Just remove this program from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also, if it doesn't, I recommended to check at the App Store or Google Play if you have the last version of this application. So open it and check it. And update it if you haven't. Next, we need to check if you have the last software version. Open Sony Sound Connect application. And if you connect your headphones with the application, you will see it in the application. Just give me a moment. Okay, so you will see something like this one. Right here you need to scroll down and go to device settings. Then click at the system at the middle top and just scroll down. Right here we have update software, click on it. And if you haven't new, click also update status. As you can see, I have the last software version. If you haven't installed a new one, it can fix your problem. But if it doesn't or you haven't the newest version, next one what I recommended to do is to restart your device. So I used the phone with these headphones and I should restart this phone. Or if you use tablet, restart your tablet. The last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones. So, press and hold power button to turn off your headphones, power button located at the left ear cup. And then we need to press and hold at the same time power button and ambient sound control button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed blue 4 times. Well, let's make it. Here we go, and now we should remove and add these headphones. So click go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. Forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold the power button to turn on it, and we don't need to enter pairing mode, because after a factory reset these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. Now just tap on it, and if you have Android also click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!